What's up, guys? Welcome to my July 2021 passive income report. I'm going to be sharing with you how much money I made from my complementary income streams. That includes Amazon FBA, Amazon Merch, Amazon KDP, non-Amazon Merch, print on demand, and Google Ads. So let's get started. Let's get things started with Amazon FBA. I did 1,560 sales, revenue generated $35,507. Profit $10,965. The margin was really high, but what I ended up doing, and I've heard mixed feedback on doing this, but honestly, like, it works for me and I don't see any reason not to, is as I am running out of inventory, I look at how long it's going to take me to get the next shipment in, which over the last, at this point, year and a half, really, since the beginning of 2020, they've really been restrictive on being able to send in enough inventory because you have to generate an inbound shipment and then they will weigh what you want to send against what you already have. And the way they do it is really stupid. Like, they don't give you enough of a cushion. They should update the algorithm to basically look at your sales per day and then do a multiple of that. And because they also ask you when your next shipment's going to get there. So they could take the difference between today and when it'll get there, times it by your sales per day, and then allow us to actually like schedule our full inbound shipments in the size they need to be. Instead, they just restrict you. So then we wait longer to create the next shipment, and I'm going to go out of stock. And before I go out of stock, I gradually increase my prices. So that's why I have a really nice profit margin of 30% there. And that's on average across the board, by the way. Other notable things. What else? I mean, I guess I'm out of inventory of my bestseller right now. Like I said, I had increased the price. Also, like, I'll increase the price sometimes, then run a coupon, take like 5% off. Just anything that can help me stand out in search results. You guys already know I love doing that. Got the reorder in. The production run is ready today, actually, and I'm paying my freight forwarder on Monday. The bank is making it increasingly difficult, more and more difficult to do simple things like wire transfers. And also, even like the bank branches are disappearing, but they still make you go in person. So those are a little bit of a red flag. I bank with Capital One, in case anybody's wondering. So anytime the banks are making it harder for you to get your money, a little bit weird, right? A little bit of red flag. Take note of that. But that's a whole nother story. Go to subscribe to my finance channel for more stuff like that. All right. What else? Issues with the lawsuit. Anybody that follows my monthly income reports knows I've mentioned the lawsuit for my number one brand. Had to pay the lawyer another $4,000, I think, which sucks. And it's looking like I may lose the brand. Not because I did anything wrong, but because I'm fighting against the number one retail brand that's been established for decades. Like, they can fight forever. And if I go to court, the lawyer already said it's going to cost, could cost more than I make in a year in profit off of that brand. In a good year where Amazon doesn't restrict my ability to send inventory in, because lately I haven't been profiting nearly as much as I used to, because like I just said, they sell out before the next shipment gets there. So anyways, I'm not trying to be down on FBA, but like, I'm always trying to be transparent. This is a good month regardless, 10K, 11K. But I mean, I could do better. I don't need to go out of inventory. Like, my numbers next month will certainly be lower or I guess that's this month in August, because I'm going to be out of inventory for a little bit. So what are you going to do? Amazon Merch, 1,388 sales, $26,006 in revenue, $5,106 in royalties. Now, I always want to be upfront with you guys and transparent. I spent more on ads this past month in July than I have ever before for Amazon Merch. I'm just kind of doing some tweaking, some experimenting, etc. And I'm not saying that this is going to be consistent, but I spent $1,000 and it was like under $10. So it was like 1,000 and some single digit on ads. So if you want the real royalty, it's about 4,100. Not bad at all, right? And I should make a habit of, in the future, just showing you the stats. Because it was certainly profitable. Plus, what you don't get to see is that when sales are generated from an ad, and then the algorithm learns, like, okay, associate this keyword with this product, right? That may lead to future sales, and those don't get rolled up into the advertising numbers, guys. That's why advertising can really be a pretty significant thing to consider doing on Amazon. And that's why, if you don't know what the heck you're doing with advertising, maybe, I'm just saying, you can consider. I do teach it in any of my courses, basically. My FBA course, Merch course, KDP course. So check that out if you're interested. It may make the course more valuable to you. But if you don't want the course, it's all good. Just go in there and experiment. It's not that hard to advertise. You can start with really small daily budgets and CPC bids. So you don't need to be an expert. You don't need a course, but I think you should check it out if you have access. That's my recommendation. All right. Breakdown of profit by country: USA 4,835, UK 75 pounds sterling, Germany 42 euro, France 18 euro, Italy 22 euro, Spain 15 euro, and Japan. Do I need to update? Is that the euro symbol? That looks weird. Maybe it's just this font. I use a weird font. It's like a C instead of a E. Let me see. Yeah, that is the right font. Okay, I Googled it. And 5,400 yen profit. So that's my international sales. Obviously, USA led across the way, but I do optimize all of my uploads for the United States. So, and on the blog post, you can always come and check out all of this information in more depth. I'll put a link to it in the description on my website. But you can see that my #1 bestseller did 96 sales, generated $486 in royalties. So that was nice. Second bestseller was 28 sales, followed by 15, 13, and 12. So pretty well dispersed. You guys know I aim to do mainly evergreens. You can check out my analytics broken down by country, broken down by product type, by fit type, by color, and my upload progress. You can see that I am currently at 144,808 published designs of 200,000. And yeah, it's not easy getting those filled. However, they did recently increase the upload limits. So I think I went from 4,000 to 2,000 to 8,000. So now I'm at 8,000 and I've been doing my best to hit that number every single day. If you guys are like, how do you do that? I use automation both to create designs and upload designs. Again, just plug in the course. I teach everything there step by step exactly as I do it. Plus, I give you discounts, exclusive discounts that you can only get behind the paywall. So in case anybody's interested, I know you don't like hearing about that, but I just wanted to mention it in case you're wondering. All right, next, drop shipped print on demand. I did 428 sales, bringing in $2,265 of profit. So it wasn't a big month by how I've been performing this year, but it's still $2,265, right? No complaints. But you know, I've been having a good year as far as the non-Amazon merch print on demand sales. Amazon.com, which is mainly the Printful integration and Gear Bubble integration that I use, 276 sales. Amazon.co.uk 8 sales, eBay 21, Redbubble 74, Spreadshirt 34. And Zazzle 15. Now Spreadshirt, I had one massive order. It was like one customer, and I think it was like 20 sales or something to one customer. It was absurd. Yeah. So that was really nice. That definitely helped bolster the Spreadshirt income. And you never know. Like, again, I have no clue why that customer found me on Spreadshirt, but guess what? If I wasn't on Spreadshirt, I wouldn't have gotten that sale. So make sure you guys upload to more places. And you can see my like daily sales breakdowns on the blog post. Also, if you follow me on Instagram, I post this stuff every day. I post like my 7-day trailing sales for Printful Amazon integration. You can see my Amazon.co.uk and my eBay integration. And breakdown of profit, Amazon led the way, $1,594, followed by eBay, $314, Redbubble, $158, and Amazon.co.uk, $102. Ultimately, I got a silver, I need to update that, silver, not gold, volume discount of 7%, not quite gold, which would be 8%. Amazon KDP, I did 57 sales, bringing in $89.67 of profit. Average royalty, $1.57. All right, and that's pretty much it for KDP. I haven't really been uploading too much lately. Guilty of, like, I guess you could say being lazy and not being consistent, and that's on me. I got to be better about that, so I'll try to do that in August. I'll try to be better about that. I've been doing a lot of traveling, you know, living life. Currently still a little bit sick from my most recent trip where I definitely did not get enough sleep. And, you know, I love my sleep. I've said that before. I need my 8 hours a night. But you know what? Like I said, the show must go on. I'll get over it and it'll all be good. All right, rounded out. Google Ads. Earnings total, $5,174. YouTube generated $4,920 of that. And the website that I built in college for fun brought in $253 of ad revenue. And, you know, I probably double that monthly at least through direct advertising with various companies that just want to buy backlinks to help their websites rank. So I don't know if anybody cares, but it is something that, like, basically just free money for very little work. Page views, 253,000. Ad impressions, 950,000. So yeah, doing pretty good there. You can see a breakdown of my Google Ads dashboard here. You can see my Google Analytics here. You can see my YouTube revenue here for Ryan Hogue Passive Income, brought in $4,797. And then I have my second channel now, Ryan Hogue Investing, which had $122 in revenue. So didn't drop too many videos on the second channel this past month. Like I said, very busy, lots of travel. Gonna be better about that too this month for sure. A lot of stuff I want to talk about too. Sometimes I don't post the videos after I record them though, because I don't want the YouTube algorithm to dislike me. You got to play ball, right? All right, so here you go. Breakdown of subscribers by video, in case anybody cares what like YouTube analytics dashboards look like. I try to, post some of this relevant data to the blog post. And from Social Blade, 76,700 subscribers when I published this report, which I think means that I gained about 3,500 month over month. Thank you to all the new subscribers, and especially to the old subscribers that still watch my content. I do really appreciate you and your time, and I'm going to try to keep bringing you value that brings you back to watching these videos. So thank you. All right, let's wrap up. On top, leading the way, Amazon FBA brought in $10,965 of profit, followed by what? Google Ads, $5,174 of profit, followed by Amazon Merch, which remember I had to take $1,000 off the top, so about $4,100 of profit. Then followed by Dropship Print on Demand, $2,265 of profit, and last but not least, KDP, $89.67 of profit, for a grand total of $23,601.11 in the month of July. And just worth noting too, I traveled a lot this past month and was making passive income the entire time I was gone. I had great trips to Colorado, to the beach, to go with friends, to Miami. And you know what? It was a profitable month. And I want that life for everybody that wants that life for themselves. Realistically, guys, like you have the roadmap. I talk about it every day pretty much on YouTube. And it's really just about execution. And I don't want to hear that like life is too busy. I know I don't want to be that guy that's like, I don't want to hear it. But seriously, like I had 2 jobs, a girlfriend, family, friends. Like I didn't have to give anything up to scale this journey. But obviously it took me quite a bit of time. You're watching my income report. Go ahead, click the link in the description and then look at my website. You can go all the way back to 2017, like over 4 years ago. So it didn't happen overnight. Just keep a good perspective, keep grinding. You guys will get there. All right. That's what I want to say. Anyways, guys, thank you for watching this video. Please do me a quick favor, like and subscribe if you're not already, and I will see you soon.